everyone, so I'm back in another video, and so today I got a new squishy and it is from Soft and Slow. But before we get into that, I just want to say my squishy package still hasn't come, and by the way, this squishy that I have got is not from Wish. I'm done with ordering from Wish because, well, their shipping takes so long. I mean, there's certain shippings that take 5 to 7 days, but this has took 2 months, which is really annoying. And so yeah, but my dad has emailed them to say where is it. But anyway, back onto the actual thing. So I got this today at John Anderson's, and it is Soft and Slow squishies, but when I opened it, the cardboard thing saying Soft and Slow squishies fell out. So sad times. But this is what it is. It's super cute. It's penguin. And so it's so squishy. And I actually really like it. Right, so I'm gonna take it out. So it's so, oh, sorry about that. So it's so soft and so rising. But yeah, and I love them. There was a orange cat, a blue hamster, and a yellow mouse, and I had to go with the penguin because it's super cute. And there's no defects apart from that there. It's really bugging me, but oh well. But it's so soft on the back. And like, it's like when you feel here, it's like weird because it's not like the texture of the back. But I love it. So yeah. And actually, where is it? Is it down there? It's like, actually, this is Soft and Slow squishies as well. So it's got the same texture sort of. I know, let's have a squishy race. So we'll see which one is more slow rising. So this is going to be hard because I'm going to have to like somehow squish them. But yeah, and I will time them. Right, so we'll start with this one. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, right. Is it alright? Yeah. So this was 22. So now it's this. I don't think this is going to last very long, but here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this was half of what that one was, but this one is so squishy. And I love this one. And there was mini versions of like these of the hamster and the mouse, and they were, I think that they were $3.99, and this was $9.99. And also this was $9.99, as you can tell because they are really good. And yeah, you probably can't see, but that one's got licensing. Yeah, it has, but you can't see it because it's a Warner. And then that one's got licensing. And so they're both licensed, which I like the licensed squishies. I'm going to say these ones are licensed. Right, I know for definite that this one is not licensed because, just one sec. Because this randomly came through my post, as you know. But no, it's not licensed anywhere. So yeah. But this one, then this one is, and then I don't think this one is. No, it isn't, but I love this one. This one. That one smells super good. And I love this squishy. So soft. So yeah, and I am, by the way, if I just show you, I'm saving up for my squishies. And so I've actually got this book. And like it's like a notebook, I guess, but a big one. It's like a diary. And so I've put down all the squishies I need to collect on there, or the squishies that I would like. And so I've put down iBloom Peach, Cutie Creative, Golden Mango, Millie and Billy the Whale. I've actually got Millie, but it's not a licensed squishy, which it don't really matter, but the licensed ones are bigger and my Millie is destroyed. And then what else was it? Oh yeah, I've ticked this off my list because this was on my list. What else was it? Did I say iBloom Peach? I'm not sure if I said iBloom Peach, but if I did, then yeah, iBloom Peach. But if I didn't, then definitely the iBloom Peach. But then I'd like the I forgot. Is it the iBloom? I'm not sure, but it's the rainbow strawberry, I think it is, yeah. And then I'd like the Cafe DN bread loaf. Is it Cafe DN pineapple bun, like them giant pineapple buns. And then is it Cafe DN croissant? I'm not sure, but the croissant. And so that's what I would like. I think that's all of them. Yeah, it is. But yeah, so that's what I wanted to tell you. And so go and check out Soft and Sort out because they are the best. They sell so many squishies. And I love it. So yes, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell and give this video a big thumbs up. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.